In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down for you guys step by step on how you can make thousands of dollars per month with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner. Hello everybody and welcome back to the Financial Wolf channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make thousands of dollars a month with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner. And to break down the secrets for you guys, we're going to begin by hopping on my computer and I'm going to be breaking down some very important lessons on this subject to begin. Okay everyone, so we're on my computer and it is now time for me to reveal some of the big secrets about affiliate marketing that will help you be successful with it. So to start off with affiliate marketing, in order to be successful, you're going to need an online presence. At least in terms of the methods that I'm aware of with affiliate marketing, it is required that you have some sort of online presence. It can be a YouTube channel, it can be an Instagram account, it can be a website, or it could even be a Facebook group. Not a lot of people talk about that, but you can definitely make money with affiliate marketing with like a Facebook group or even a website. These two will take a little bit more time to build up, but you can definitely kind of get the cash flow flowing even if you don't have a YouTube or Instagram account. So now that you guys are aware that you need an online presence in order to be successful with affiliate marketing, I want to get into finding a profitable niche for whatever it is that you're doing in terms of an online presence. Whether it's a YouTube channel, whether it's an Instagram account, whether it's a website, or whether it's a Facebook group. I don't care, but you definitely need to pick a niche for whatever it is that you're doing, and you need to stick with it. So I have some example niches here that work very well with affiliate marketing because you definitely want to make sure that you're picking a niche that you can actually do some affiliate marketing with. You can do affiliate marketing to some extent with any niche, but of course some niches are far better than others. Some really good ones are in the review niche, basically where you review technology, makeup, and toys, and then you link the products that you're reviewing in the description and you make affiliate commission off of every single video that you make. So these are some niches like the review niche that you're going to make profit to a very large extent from affiliate marketing, and it'll probably be the biggest income source from your online audience. I have an example right here, and this is a channel that just simply reviews a bunch of different products in the technology space. And you can see this guy only got like 7,000 views on his video, which isn't like a crazy amount. He probably only got like, what, $21 from YouTube ad revenue, but he probably made a really good commission off of the video simply because he has right here, buy on Amazon, lowest price available with an affiliate link to the product. And that's probably how he's done really well with this video. I'm pretty sure he probably got like 2, 3, maybe even 4 sales at a 2% commission on like a $200 product, which isn't bad. Probably like $4 to $5 on every single sale, which is an extra 20 bucks just by linking something in the description. And imagine the people that get like 70, 80,000 views. They must be getting straight insane affiliate commissions from videos they make on Beats Pill, because everyone that watches this video is likely really interested in the product because they're watching the video. So there's a good chance that they're going to go down, click this Amazon link, and buy the product that he's promoting. Making review videos is a great way to earn a lot of affiliate commission. Review videos are really profitable in terms of affiliate marketing, but there are also some other niches that you can get into for affiliate marketing that are still extremely profitable. You can get into the investing niche and you can make a ton of profit affiliate marketing by simply reviewing some different like investing apps. Obviously, you don't have to only make those kind of videos, but you can incorporate that into your channel and earn a lot of money with affiliate marketing. Another good niche is the making money niche, which is basically what I do on YouTube, and I make a decent amount of income promoting courses or different applications that will help you make money. Another great way to earn money with affiliate marketing is being in the fitness niche. You can promote different fitness products and link them in the description, and you can earn a commission that way. You can also make a lot of money in the automobile niche by reviewing different products for cars or dirt bikes and then linking them to in the description, and you can also make money from that. So it is very clear that it can be extremely profitable with affiliate marketing for certain niches. Obviously, some niches are better than others. Some niches you can make more money with affiliate marketing and others you can't earn as much. But you definitely need to learn this if you want to get online, because it's a great way to make a lot of money. So now that you guys have figured out what kind of content you're going to post in terms of your niche, and you've also figured out where you're going to be posting this content, whether it's a YouTube channel, an Instagram account, a website, or a Facebook group, it's time to get into the actual affiliate marketing part of affiliate marketing. So to start off, you want to pick 3 to 5 affiliate products that are surrounding your niche, and you want to get into promoting them. So some great places to look for awesome affiliate marketing products is ClickBank, Teachable, Amazon affiliate program, and also simply looking up a product you want to make a video about and then seeing if this product has an affiliate program. So an example of that is the Robinhood affiliate program. Let's say you want to make a video on the Robinhood app, or you want to show off your Robinhood portfolio. You're going to look up on Google Robinhood affiliate program to see if they have an affiliate program, and they actually do happen to have one. Another great one is Cash App, and this is something I personally promote, and it's something where if somebody signs up for Cash App, a free app, and they use my code, I earn a $5 commission, and so does the person that signs up with my code. Another great affiliate program is Beats, and you can simply look up Beats affiliate program and you can get links for Beats. There are a ton of different affiliate programs, but my 2 favorite happen to be Teachable and ClickBank. These are examples of extremely high commission affiliate programs. The one I actually use the most is Teachable, and I basically know a few people that I really enjoy their online course. I've taken it, and I know these people personally as well, and they were nice enough to give me an affiliate link to their course, and whenever someone signs up for the awesome course, I get a commission on it, and it works out pretty well. I've had some months where I made $70, I've had some months where I've made $50, and I've also had some months where I've made $0. But Teachable affiliate marketing is one of my favorite ways to make a lot of money because it brings a lot of value to my subscribers, and it's also something that earns me a very good commission. It's almost $25 per person that signs up, depending on the course. One course, I think I earn $40 per person that signs up, and the other one I earn like $25 per person that signs up. Enough of Teachable, but the one I actually really want to get into is ClickBank, and this is something I recently signed up for, and I'm kind of still exploring it, so I'm going to hop over here on the clickbank.com application, and you can see here that there are a bunch of different things that I could look up for products when it comes to ClickBank. There are some different niches here like arts and entertainment. Obviously that's not my niche, but you can see there's education, there's e-commerce and e-marketing. There's so many different products on here, and you can earn a commission on every single one of them simply by getting an affiliate link for it. The one that I would probably sign up for is the business and investing one, because that's the niche my YouTube channel's in. And you can see here, average commission sale is $105.63. So if you made a video on this product, the Forex product that converts Alpha Scalper, you could earn $105.63 per person that signs up, which is just crazy. I'm really starting to like ClickBank simply because there are just so many different products on here, and you can really kind of customize the types of products that you want to take a look at by simply looking them up right here in the search panel, or by using these different filter settings. You can look at products that will make you money on a recurring basis, or products that will make you money on a one-time, just flat out payment basis. But it's really cool that you can kind of look at all these different products and all these different niches on just one application. So ClickBank is definitely something I want to utilize going forward for my YouTube business. But right now, I'm not finding too many great products on here, but I'm probably going to continue to look at it, try and find some things that work with my channel that I personally would use, and then I'd probably think about promoting them. But right now, I'm not really finding the best stuff, but I know a lot of people use ClickBank to promote different things. I just have to look more into it, obviously, because the commissions are super high. You can see $60, $132, $114. I believe this is how much you'll make on the sale. I'm not 100% sure, but I mean, I've heard ClickBank is great. I haven't experimented with it too much, but it's just crazy how much money you can make by simply using ClickBank to promote different products. So now that I've made you guys really familiar on all of the different affiliate programs that you can partner with and all of the different products that you could promote for your niche, I want to kind of let you guys know that you should be picking 3 to 5 of these products to get started. You should go on ClickBank, find 3 really good products that you want to promote for your channel, and then you could maybe try these other affiliate programs out as well. You could try maybe promoting a teachable course, and you can maybe try promoting like a Beats product or something like that, right? You just need to pick like 5 or 4 different products for your channel to get started, and then you can promote them in different videos. And that's what I also want to get into. You should be making about 2 to 3 videos on each product that mentions it, right? So if you want to promote Beats Pill, you partner with the Beats program, and then you make 2 to 3 videos that feature the Beats product, and you have that affiliate link in the description for people to get a chance to sign up and buy something with Beats. After you pick your first 3 to 5 affiliate products, you should make 2 to 3 videos on each of them, and that will put between 6 and 15 videos on your channel. If you have 3 products and you make 2 videos on each one, that puts 6 videos on your channel. And if you have 5 products and you're posting 3 videos on each one, that'll put 15 videos on your channel. Obviously, you could be anywhere in between, but it'll put 6 to 15 videos on your channel to start. And after you have those first 6 to 15 videos on your channel, guess what? You're going to do it all over again. You're going to repeat steps 3 and 4, basically where you're picking 3 to 5 affiliate products and you're making 2 to 3 videos on each one. And as you're doing this, you want to focus on high commission products that earn you the most money. And these products always have to be sure that you're going to make your subscribers happy. You don't want to make videos on products that absolutely are terrible or stuff you wouldn't use yourself. You want to make videos on products that you personally enjoy or find helpful to your subscribers. Always keep that in mind when you're doing affiliate marketing, because being a good person about it will obviously make you a credible source to come to when looking at products, and it will just help you in the long run if people can trust you. So all in all, affiliate marketing is a great way to make a lot of money from an online brand, and it can really add up over time. Obviously, at first, you're not going to make a crazy amount of money with affiliate marketing, but as your videos start getting more views or your online brand gets more exposure, more people are going to click the links in your description, and more people are going to buy the products that you're promoting, which converts to more affiliate commission. So guys, trust me, at first you're not going to make a crazy amount of money with affiliate marketing, but months or even years down the line, it's going to pay off tremendously, because those videos or pieces of content will always be there and people will always go back to it and continually buy your products simply because of your past work. So affiliate marketing can be in many ways passive income. So guys, with that all being said, thank you for watching today's video. Thank you so much if you made it to the end, and please drop a like if you did, and let me know in the comments section down below if you made it to the end of today's video. Please drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the Financial Wolf channel to be in the first 2,000 subscribers.